How to block all ads in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block all ads in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find privacy. So there is privacy and security, head over there. And now what you'll need to do is scroll down. And after you scroll down, you will find your Apple advertising. Head over there and make sure that personalized ads is turned off. After you turn off personalized ads, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head back. And after you head back, simply go to your settings again. And under your settings, now you will need to go to screen time. Now head over to screen time and head over to content and privacy restrictions. Now under there, scroll down and you should find Apple advertising. Head over there and then don't allow it. So simply just deny its permission. And after you do that, head back. Now we'll do a thing for Safari too. So just head back here. Now what you'll need to do is head over to Safari. To head over to Safari, go to your apps. And under apps, simply go to Safari. There it is. Now under Safari, if you scroll down, you will see an option called block pop-up ads. So make sure that you've turned this on. And after you've done that, you have basically blocked all ads in iPhone. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.